Hello everyone, welcome to another video on PlayStation 4. Today I will show you how to share games and PlayStation Plus to other accounts on PlayStation 4 console. Now there are a few limitations when it comes to this. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. However, you can do it very quickly. So as you can see right here, what you want to do on your PlayStation 4, sign in with the account which has the PlayStation Plus subscription. So just open your settings, navigate to the PSN menu, and then select Activate as your primary PS4. That's what you want to do. So you want to go to the Activate as your primary PS4. From there, just select Activate. Now that the account with PlayStation Plus is signed in and associated with this PlayStation 4 as the primary account, any other users who signs into that PS4 will be able to use its benefits. Now obviously you can set up a family sharing on PlayStation 5, go to settings, select users and accounts, and then select other. And then here, as you can see, you will be able to go and click on console sharing and offline play. Now once you click on that, you will be able to just go here and just click don't disable. As you can see, it will ask you, do you want to disable console sharing and offline play? If you do, anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 or 4 will be unable to play video games and media. So just click don't disable. Now as you can see, you can play online multiplayer games, you can play downloaded games, stuff like that. However, as you can see right here, you game share on PlayStation 4 and PS5 at the same time. You can play games together or share your game library with friends and family members who are still using their PS4, thanks to a feature called Share Play. Now, if you do have a friend with PS5, you can also play their PS5 games on your PlayStation 4 with Share Play as well, if you want to do that. Now, can I share my PSN account with my friend? You can just get your friends to sign up with into their own PSN account on your PlayStation 4, or just sign in onto your friend's PlayStation 4 with your own account. You can now both play any games that you have purchased digitally, and only you'll need to activate PSN subscription, and you can both play online. So these are basically how you can share games and PS Plus to other accounts on PlayStation 4 console and PlayStation 5. So if you have any questions or comments around this, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.